Home Depot stuff. Look at this. Look, gazebo tub. This is all plastic right here. This is the plastic material. We're looking at $749. A couple of square feet away. Look at that. Plenty of space. Looks nice and simple in the picture, but the hardest part is going to be lining up the doors, guys. The doors is where I have a lot of problems on these things. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Inside is nice and spacious, nice and roomy. The light, it's going to come from here. Normally they will put a centerpiece from here all the way over here, but today the lining is going to come from here on this top. You guys can see it. Now it's going to take 3 or 2 guys to set this whole thing up, a couple hours to set it up. Nice little thick area. These screws are built for this machine, this thing, this system itself only, nothing else. All right. There's some air ventilation. A lot of them don't have it. I like that they do that. Make sure that water side leaks. You have to make sure it curves inside, right? That does it. Now they do have all these mounting stations for extra support on these things. So you mount one on this end here on this thing, and it goes all the way around here, all the way to this part right here. So here to here, you go add stuff in there. You could go across on this side, do a large piece if you want. You can put wood, stack them in there. Make sure you line it up. Once you have that set up, there's other parts right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the flooring now. The flooring itself, it's about 1 inch thick. Not that bad. I like the whole setup. This part right here is very simple to set these up in the corner. If you guys can see them, they kind of hook up in here, right here, and I like that they added extra lining, and they do have another one in the corner here. This piece here itself, so it's not that bad. And they got these little hooks. I've never seen these before. They hook up in here. They go up in here, they grab on the whole thing, so you can put some weight on it. I want to recommend you walking on it on a plastic thing like this. But overall, the hardest part on this whole system, I'm going to show you guys in a bit. Look at this right here. I like this. For the water, you keep the water out like this. Right. This is new to keep the water out like this. Side of it, no windows at all. Doors are probably going to be the hardest thing to mount on here, especially mounting these kind of doors, but they're kind of hook up on. There's 3 of them. In the bottom, it doesn't need it. 1 here, 2 on this one. And you got the little latches to lock it inside. Lock 1 door. Very simple to lock 1 door in here, so you can keep it closed. It's not bad. All right, this is probably another metal piece in here. You guys can see it. You can put your lock in here. Very weak. You can still break it, so you have to chain it up. And these are metal. These are aluminum, but break. You look at that. You can open it. Just me holding it, just pulling back. You can still break it. So